to the toy store.
But it's not for a good reason. Big Mama here is going through her menstrual. Got to get the brakes adjusted. Those things are shot. And I can't get the one blade off. I think the bolt is stripped in the middle. Woo. Hopefully the guys at the store here can get me checked out before Monday, because I really need this thing. Oh, she's good, she's good. Don't scare me like that, Bertha.
Bye-bye, big girl.
Whoa, it's chilly out there this morning. Damn! I hope I didn't just wake up the owner. He lives right next to the toy store. Shit's just gotta get done. I'm really sorry, man. I gotta move. I just gotta move. I can't think.